All right, a quick update on BONK here. So BONK came down a little further than we would like it to. What I did here on the chart is draw a low to the high fib. You can see the price over the last 2 weeks here has been sitting directly on this 618 here at 17.5. So 17.5 may be it. Any lower than that, I cannot push the narrative anymore because I already did pull this down and adjust it, as you can see, just a little bit here. But the fact that we're holding on that trend line and holding that 618 could be a good thing. So 17.5 is a big price. You're currently at 18.6. Overall, making higher lows here, as long as you're making higher lows, the pattern does not have to be perfect. You don't have to have every little touch. You don't have to have, things looking neat. But as long as we're making the higher lows here, even if we come down to 16 here and we hold and we go back up, but as long as this overall general pattern is in play, which you can clearly see with your own eyes, it is. Even if we take this trend line off the chart and we do not use it, and we take our red box off of the chart here, because we do have our levels here, and you can see the place or the price area where we're getting stuck and the clear lower high uptrend here. So in my opinion, we're still bullish on BONK here, even down to the green line here. So if we fall below 17.5, 16 is your last hope. Any lower than 16, then you can see that's really not going to play out the way we want it. But right now it's trying to hold on. So if we hold over 17.5, we need to get back over 20, of course. That is about a 10% move. And then our other price to the top here at 2.5 and move up about 34%. But as long as this pattern is still trying to play out, which I believe it is still at the moment, let's pull this back down just to where we had it there. We still have something along the lines of this to look forward to. So it's just all going to depend. This is the weekly chart, by the way, on BONK. So, it takes a while for this to play out. And as you can see, I've mentioned this in the past, that depending on how low the price comes and where we got to adjust things at, it's going to make this pattern play out even longer here. So we have a lot more time to get in on BONK. And you can see that if this comes to the apex of where it is now, and we move this all the way over, this could play out all the way till mid-February, or later, depending on, how it plays out here. So a lot of time for this thing to play out and we get in, which makes me happy. I've been saying that the whole time we've been in the pattern here, that I wanted to just do as long as it can because I want to get in on BONK before it runs once again here. So what are your thoughts on this pattern here? Comment down below. Of course, do you think this pattern is going to end up playing out? We had it play out on Caspa. We had it play out on Arrow at one point. So we're hoping it plays out on BONK here. And we'll see what happens. But with that being said, going from where we are in price today, just keep an eye on those prices. Let me go ahead and do the downside really quick here. So the last ditch effort to stay alive here would be dropping below that 618, 17.5 or 17.5 support and dropping another 15%. So about another 15% drop is all she can handle. She's down 5.5% on the week already. Now, with that being said, we may get a run. The measured move out of this pattern takes us to the $6.9 billion market cap here on BONK. You can see that's about a 5.5x up to that price point. That actually takes away 10 up to 4 or 3 zeros, 10 there on that measured move. And then, of course, we do have the high target here, $24 billion market cap to the 2272 at 303. And that's where you're going to get about a 19x out of BONK if it makes a huge run out of this pattern here. So we'll see what plays out here on BONK. I'm still bullish right now, and we'll just leave it at that. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.